Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a Somali style sponge cake. We're going to start off by adding 12 eggs to our stand mixer at high speed for 5 minutes or until the eggs become thick and fluffy. Then we're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of creamer. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar. Then we're going to add 12 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure to adjust your speed from high to medium before adding the flour. This is the creamer I use. It is hazelnut flavored. Then we are going to be making a cocoa powder mixture. I use a portion of the cake mix and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You're going to want to grease your cake pan and add half of your cake mixture in. Then you're going to be adding the cocoa powder mixture in. I do this to add design and flavor. Then I'm going to be adding the rest of the cake mix on top of the cocoa powder mixture and make sure to cover the cocoa powder mixture entirely. You're then going to be putting it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until it rises. And this is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.